It's day 5 and we're going to be drawing a turtle. So let's start with the blue line, the blue cross sketch. Now, sometimes I erase these lines because I'm not sure where to put it, but today we're going to put it on the far left corner because the body of our turtle is going to be more on the right. So let's do a circle. As you can see in the first step, there's a red circle, and then let's like make a line from that. So we're gonna extend the line to attach the back shell of the turtle and the limbs of the turtle. So now we're gonna draw the front legs of the turtle and then the hind legs, which is a little bit smaller than the front ones, and then a little tail, and then we're gonna put details on the shell like so. So it's just like a circle, but we're gonna trace it. So now I'm erasing that top part of the circle, and then we're gonna draw the other set of legs. It's gonna be in the background, and then we're gonna draw the face. It's just gonna be closer to that axis. So let's draw the smiling face, and the lips is a little bit twitch on the corner. And then let's draw the pattern on the back of the turtle. And now we're gonna outline the turtle. So this one is easy, just follow the lines that you have already and just copy what I'm doing. So after outlining, we're gonna erase all the sketch lines, the marks, and maybe some few mistakes here and there. So after cleaning out all the lines, we can now proceed to coloring. So I'm gonna use a yellow-green for the turtle's face and body, and then a darker green for the shell of the turtle. So just looks like this, any kind of green like apple green or yellow green. So we're gonna need a darker shade of green for the lower face of the turtle, the back legs, the bottom part of the shell. And if you don't have a darker shade of green, you could also use a gray. It will work. Just use a light shade, and that's pretty much our drawing today. So here's a time lapse at the very end if you want to see the process and how I made it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you have a blessed day.